Okay, when you make a tomato sauce, Italian style, you don't want your onions to be browned. You don't want them to be crispy. That's a different cuisine. You only want them to be really fragrant, and that's it. Then you stop sauteing the onions. And you don't want garlic in your sauce either for this tomato sauce. Then you want to add, I can get the jar open. You do want to add, this is for mushrooms, so I'm adding a whole jar here of this pampa mushrooms, pieces and stems, okay? That with the liquid, okay? So the onions are no longer cooking here. I mean, they're no longer going to saute in the pan because we do not want them to get brown. We just want them to be fragrant, and it smells really good in here. This is really the basis for a really good Italian sauce. Next, you want to add your tomato sauce. I'll scrape this in a minute. This is just, and you can add any pasta sauce, or you can add just a tomato sauce. This is Trader, and stir it. The heat's on low right now, okay? The heat's on low. You do not want your onions to burn. You just want them to really make the sauce flavorful. I sauteed the onions in 1 teaspoon, which is this teaspoon here, of olive oil, okay? And now I'm going to turn it up a little just to get rid of some of that excess water. Put it on medium. And that's it. You can add your noodles to this sauce and serve it. You can add the noodles directly, or you can put the sauce aside and then you serve your pasta. This is pasta sauce, tomato sauce with mushrooms and onions and olive oil. You can add some Italian seasoning if you want, which I will probably do. But if you already have a pasta sauce that has seasoning here, this has no sugar or sodium, that's fine too. Do not add sugar to your pasta sauce. Pasta sauce or Italian tomato sauce is very simple. It's just olive oil, onion, and tomato sauce. You can add mushrooms to it, which I do like to do. Happy cooking.